You can't diss me, you can't box me.
Yes, my viewer and subscriber, it's your boy Stola. We say welcome to Real Talk. You have a young guns go by the name of Chris Future. And it look like the man don't take him last name serious. He's a alright artist. Him have a few gold plaques. Him a do good. But the man this cartel wicked. And not even that dog. Him a not tell blogger fi send it out. Meds.
You messing up people. Everybody I worship Kartel like God. Kartel go suck your mama. To them.
Viewer subscriber. I just other day the man at this the vendetta boss, you know. And a big up Kartel wicked. Yo, D Brown, talk to the man here for me.
Love and hate can never be fair.
Viewer subscriber, many artists this another artist for different reasons. Maybe when them have a new album or a new tune come, but the man got some wicked voice note dog and we're gonna play them for you know. But you see the love and hating dog, 1 minute them a say gully, the another minute them a say plaza as according to the vendetta boss. No fam. We don't in a them thing there. We don't work them the way there. We don't work around at them aside their dog. Run way. Viewer subscriber, Meds.
Batman artist, bumbuckler, lame. Pussy artist can't find no hit song. To no. I know man not come and run off on the mouth. Kartel send him a DM. Tell Kartel for go suck him mama to answer to music dog and stop the chatting. You see me? On your Instagram clown. To no youth. And music me say. If you don't do music, you know, come in my DM youth. To no. Man a bad man dog. Tell you youth. He is on himself. One done, Maxwell for life, you see it? Dark and evil, that me say. Who no like it, suck on the mama.
Yes, my viewer subscriber. So as you hear the voice note, him attack to one of Kartel young guns when name I think a Rattic or school or something like that. Me no know no yard man will have them the kind of name the Clary School Squad, but I saw it go. Anyway, Chris Future, dog, hear what we are say. I eat that miss your deal. We talk to you straight dog. Around you so a real talk we make around you so. And we say bun that. You see me? You not dep on the level dog. If you send chat to Kartel. You not dep on the level for even talk to even Kartel boy. You not dep on the level for talk to nobody dog. So hear me. Bun that. Run well with that fam.
Bro, God, I know me not this for family, cause it don't make no sense. Cause I told you a big man. You see me? You see me? Cause them things don't really make no sense, bro, God. Believe me. If you this, you tell if you suck your mother, you tell me if you suck my mother. We chat one bag of nonsense. On social media, this family. Me I try to tell you, say, brother, why you do not make no sense, family? You see me? The artist now answer you, the artist don't even know your family. How much other artists did they know? Yeah, chat, yo, brother. Alright, family. Me don't know you, me don't want to know you. But me page up, me page up, me can't hide. So run my profile.
Viewer subscriber. You see the artist named Ratty, Kartel Young Guns, me I go give him credit. And the credit me I go give him after the way how him angle the situation. That's the best way. Me love that way there. But hear me now. Chris Future. Brother, me don't know where you're after. See, me don't know where you want out of this. Because me and Meds this. And me not see the level. Me not see the level of you if you talk to Kartel. Me not see the level of you if you even tell Kartel them that thing away I say. You see, if Kartel did this your dog, then yeah, we could understand that. But if you know, say you just come out of the blues and for this a man like Kartel dog, a giant in the business. You see me? No, brother. We know in a them thing there. They run them thing they run as a dog. You see me? I tell a man like Kartel, we go suck him mama. Dog, how you say fam? They run them way yeah. So we say run that. Bone with that dog. See? We don't join them the thing there. You don't depend on the level fam. Viewer subscriber, I want to check out the rest of the voice note. Meds.
Suck your mother, pussy. But suck man front to and back. You see a batty man youth. Waste man. Waste man. You see a waste man. Pussy about picture with Kartel, with teacher. About color future. Batty boy, nobody know you. Go suck out your mother. Come chat about suck man back with your friend. You see a waste man youth. Go suck your mother. You see me on my page brag. See me a hide. Pussy see me a hide. Go suck your mother and go. Me been with your batty boy. I know if I know where.
Hey, come mouse. We are coming a man DM for you out. Hey, how are you? Me know you. You're a Kartel batty follower, Kartel cocky follower, pussy. To your cloud chaser, you're this your artist bumbuckler pop, then him can't find a hit song. Yo, come out of my DM, yo. Me don't know you. Fool. My youth, you're a bumbuckler clown or you're a pussy. I'm tell you, go suck your mother youth. You think your mouth can frighten me pussy? I'm not afraid of no boy you're saying a pussy. A maxil I come from in a batty boy. I want to tell you run off your mouth. I want to tell you, you know me dog, come out of my bumbuckler there, me youth. Pussy, I want to.
Who a subscriber, big woman thing. We don't know say Kartel is a man throw shade sometime and him do it in a fit him own clever way. But sometimes we can pick it up. You see, if him did do that and Chris Future this him back, then we could have said, dog, hear me now. Yeah, you have all right for do that. But for no say you just jump out of the blues, dog, and I go on them away. Yeah. No, brother, we don't in a them thing. Yeah. You a subscriber. Make me know when you thinking in the comment section about this. But right now, me say, hear me now, and your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. When I say nothing more, and your boy Stola. One, we out.